Hi friends, today we're going to see exercise 9.1, 15th sum. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. It is given, say, let CB be the highway and AB be the tower. This is a highway and here AB is the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. See here, a man is on the top of the tower. Okay, say at point A. He observes a car at a point C and it is approaching towards the tower. We know when we view an object downwards, from the top, it is called as angle of depression. Here it is given as 30 degree. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. After 6 seconds, the car is moving towards the tower, isn't it? So, say at a point D, the angle of depression is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. See here, we have to find the time taken by the car to reach the point B. That is the foot of the tower. Okay. So here, see here, in the question it is given, the car is moving with a uniform speed. Okay, that is, we know speed is equal to distance by time. Here it is given, the car is moving with a uniform speed, therefore speed is constant. Okay, I can say D is equal to T. That is, the distance travelled by the car is equal to the time taken. Therefore, see here, I am going to assume this as T. We have to find the time taken by the car to reach the point B. And here we have to know the angle values for C and D. If you observe this figure, see here, when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, we can say alternate interior angles are equal. See here, this is a parallel line and this is the parallel line. And for this line, if it is cut by a transversal, say at point 30, here if I bring along this line, I can say this is 30 degree. This alternate interior angles are equal. Similarly, say the line along the 60 degree. See here, this 60 degree, right, isn't it? So here, its alternate interior angle is this. Here, the angle value is 60 degree. Okay. Now, let's write the values, whatever it is given in the sum. It is given AB is equal to H. Let us assume the height of the tower as H. Okay. H meter be the height of the tower. And CD is equal to, it is given, it takes 6 seconds, isn't it? So 6 seconds, it be the time taken by the car for a particular distance. And dB be equal to T seconds. That is, we have to find the time taken by the car to reach this. This is what we have to find. Okay. And now, in right triangle, I am going to consider this triangle A, B, D. Okay. A, B, D. We know angle ADB is equal to 60 degree. Angle ADB is equal to 60 degree. See here, if you observe this, the theta values are on the same side and the side which is opposite to the theta value is the opposite and the side which is along the angle is the adjacent side. The value what we have to find is in the adjacent side and this opposite is common to the right angles. Therefore, I am going to consider tan theta value. As we know, tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Okay. So here tan 60 degree is equal to for this triangle, the opposite side is AB and the adjacent side is BD. And tan 60 value is root 3. We know the height of the tower, I have assumed it as h, isn't it? Therefore, it is h by and BD is t. Therefore, I get h is equal to root 3 into t. Let this be 1. Now, I am going to consider the triangle that is in right triangle ABC. ABC angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, tan 30, see here, tan 30 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent. So, it is AB by BC. And BC I can write it as CD plus DB. So, AB by CD plus DB. So, tan 30 value was 1 by root 3 is equal to, our AB is h and CD we know it is 6, isn't it? It is 6 plus t. Therefore, I get, so if this goes here, I get 6 plus t is equal to h root 3, isn't it? See, we have already found the value for h. I am going to substitute it here. From 1, by substituting the value of h, I get 6 plus t is equal to, it is root 3, isn't it? So, root 3t into root 3. So, here root 3 into root 3 is 3t. That is 6 plus t is equal to 3t. I am just rearranging the terms like this. It is 6 plus t. That is 3t is equal to 6 plus t. By taking the t to the other side, I get 3t minus t is equal to 6. Therefore, 2t is equal to 6. T is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. T is equal to 3 seconds. Therefore, the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower is 3 seconds. Thanks for watching.